plugin for Final Cut Pro X makes adding captions super easy, and here's how to do it. So if you go to the App Store, the plugin is called Captionator for Final Cut. Once you purchase it, click here and you can hit Install Export Destination and it'll export it right onto Final Cut Pro X. So we'll create a new project, drag in the clip that we just filmed. And I already know it was the last take that I want to use. So once you have your footage, you can now go to File, Share, and you'll have Captionator. Now what Captionator is doing is taking just the audio and it's going to create word for word caption. So if you hit next, it now gives you all these options. So you can click advance and now you'll see you got style, titles, captions, and there's also presets. So you got Final Cut Pro, you got custom, karaoke, top J, and simple. There's a lot of options that you have. As you see, you can do the font color, outline color. You can change the width of the outline. If you want to create the captions, they'll actually create it for you, or you can turn it off so it doesn't generate. So in the captions, you can have words 1 to 10 or have it go all the way down words 1 to 1. Over in titles, it's the same thing. You can have it do 1 word at a time, or you can have it go all the way up to 10 words at a time. On the style, you can actually change the font. So if you just click here, you can now go through and change the font of the titles. You can also change the text case so they're all uppercase, lowercase, or normal, or proper case. You can even see what the text says. So you click on edit. This plugin so you can see it didn't get Final Cut correctly. So let's change it to Final Cut Pro X makes adding captions super easy, and here's how to do it. The same thing with captions. So as you can see, there's a lot of different options you can go and mess with on Captionator. So once you're done, you hit generate. Let's call this test. Save it to the desktop. And now when you look at your desktop, you'll see right here, double click, open it on this library. Now you'll have your captions and the text. Command A, Command C to copy it all. Go back to here and hit Command V. So you can see all we did was just add this extra thing over here so we can just fix it ourselves. So you just find where you got to cut it. Final Cut Pro X. Highlight all of them, and now you can customize it even more as you want. So if you just want to bring the text down a little bit, and then you play it back through. This plugin for Final Cut Pro X makes adding captions super easy, and here's how to do it. And now you can just mess with how fast everything goes. So I noticed like right here, it goes just a little bit too fast. Now once you're done, just hit Command E. I go to settings, I have it set to computer, and then H.264 multi-pass better, info, I'll just type intro, next, goes to desktop, save. And there we go. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more content. I plan on uploading more Final Cut Pro X tutorials. Thank you for watching.